Hello guys, so we are back in this video. This is the flying ball. Yes, this is so good. Yes, this is the charger, is charging port here, and light that, yes, I can show you. See, here also light. Oh my, let's stop this. This is so dangerous. Oh my, this is the small but very fast. We can finger this and finger cut. Oh my goodness. So this is the charging port and this is the lights. Yes, and this is the turn on turn off button. Yes, I can show you now. Oh my. It's going. Wow. Easy one. Okay, let's turn off. Oh my goodness. This is so dangerous. Small little boy. See here. This is this Joker here. Joker. Yes. And here's the what names, and yes, this is colorful, and yes, of course, this is flying. Yes, feathers like birds. Yes, so this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so dangerous. Let's again see. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh my. Oh, whoa. Easy. Yes. Down. Oh my goodness. Oh, see. Oh my. It's broken down now. Okay, I can join this. Turn off this. Oh, this is so dangerous. Oh my goodness. See? Oh. Okay. Okay. I understood now. Yes. It's fit. Okay, perfectly fit now. Okay. Again. Yes. We can start from here now. Yes. So it's so dangerous. I'm scared of this. Oh my. Okay. Oh my. Oh. It's so far away. And we can. Okay. It's down. Oh my. Easy. Yes. It's all. And bye bye. See you tomorrow. This little boy is so dangerous. I scared this man. Oh my, this is so dangerous. So this is the over now. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.